So hello guys, today we will start the chapter 5 of our Unix and Shell Programming series. So we have covered last 4 chapters in previous videos. Here you can find all the videos and the link to our playlist in the video description, and I will attach the link there. So let's start today's video. So at first, what is shell? The question comes to your mind. Now, a shell is a command line interpreter in Unix that allows users to interact with the OS. So, shell is a command line interpreter that helps the users to interact with the OS. Now, interpretive cycle of shell. What is the interpretive cycle of shell? The interpretive cycle of shell consisting of 4 steps. First is user enter a command, shell reads it. First, the user enters the command. User enters the command in the shell, and the shell will read it. In the second step, the shell interprets the command, find the appropriate executable. The shell interpret the command. So find the okay. So the third step is shell executes the command, display the output. Shell execute the command. The shell is executing the command given by the user and display the output as well. And the last step, wait for the next command. The cycle repeats. The shell, after displaying the output of the previous command, the shell will be waiting for the users to to write his next command, and the cycle will repeat again. Then the type of shell. How many shells are there in the market? There are mainly 5 types of shells: bourne shell, corn shell, C shell, bash shell, and Z shell. So bourne shell and the bash shell is born again shell. That means it is an improved version of the bourne shell. So let's see if the first thing first, what is the bourne shell? The original Unix shell is also known as bourne shell. Then we have bash shell. Bash shell is also known as born again shell. It's basically an improved version of the normal bourne shell, normal original Unix shell. It's an improved version of shell when it's widely used. Then we have C shell. C shell uses C-like syntaxes. Its syntax looks like the typical C programming languages, so that's why the name is C shell. It includes history and aliasing. Then we have corn shell or K shell. It combines feature of bourne shell and corn shell. Bourne shell and C shell. It combines the features of bourne shell and C shell, and it's now known as corn shell. Then lastly we have the Z shell. The Z shell is an advanced shell with powerful scripting features. So this is Z shell. Now let's see what is pattern matching. Pattern matching asterisk means it matches any number of the characters, like file matches file star matches file 1, file 2. It matches any number of characters. Then the question mark, it matches single character. File question mark matches file 1 but not file 2, so it matches a single character, either this or this. Then we have the ABC. It matches any one character from the set, like file 1, 2, 3 matches file 1 and 2. It means it will find any character from the set given here. Then escaping and quoting. Escaping prevents special characters from being interpreted and echo/home prints home instead of the variable value. Then skipping and quoting. Skipping means it prevents special characters from being interpreted. And then quoting. What is quoting? Single quotes and double quotes. Single quotes preserves everything. Preserves everything as it is. Then echo home prints home like this, and double quotes preserves spaces but allows variable expansion. Echo slash home prints home. Then we have redirections. It redirects output to a file ls output txt. It saves ls output to txt, then greater than appends output to file echo hello, then output.txt less than text the output from file sort less than file.txt. In standard streams, standard output stdin, the default input streams, then standard output stdout, the default output stream. These are standard streams. Basically, there are input and output and error, standard error, the error messages. Then the tab null and tab tty. Tab null, a black hole where unwanted output. Then the tab tty represents the terminal currently in use. TTY shows the terminal currently in use. Then we have pipes. What is pipe used for? Used to pass output to one command as input to another. This for this is pipes is used for. Okay, example ls, then wc minus l, it counts the number of files in a directory, counts the number of files in a directory. Then t command, t means it splits output between a file and this and those screen. Then example ls t file.txt, it saves output to file.txt and displays it. And then command substitution allows command execution with another command batch file. What is batch file? It echoes today is date. In syntax, echo today is the date. This is how it prints the date. Now cell variables and environment variables and syntax white variables like home and path, the user defined variable, custom variables like name, John, and this way. So this is all for today, guys. This is the part 1 of chapter 5, and part 2 will be posted in our channel very soon, because this chapter is a bit larger than the previous ones. So that's why we will make it separated 2 videos. So in the second video we will cover the rest of the chapter. Okay, so until then, subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.